Hi, my name is Wada Al Yasseri and I'm the project administrator for the new City Hall project. Since the last update a few months ago, the design team and construction team kept pushing more and more with the construction activities in all aspects. We are all working very hard to meet the deadlines and expectations. Thus far, the project remains on track and is scheduled to be fully completed in early May of this year. We managed to meet all major project milestones and we are approaching 95% overall project completion. Coordination with all utilities and other city departments is still ongoing to ensure smooth transition in all aspects in the move to the new City Hall. We continue to remind the public and staff alike to please exercise caution around the construction site and remember to follow the signage. It has been almost 2 years since the construction started, and we are aware it has caused some inconvenience. However, we continue to try diligently to do everything we can to minimize such inconvenience and always communicate them in advance. Finally, if you are looking for more information about the project, please visit the City of Windsor webpage at www.citywindsor.ca and search for the new City Hall project. You will find lots of related information, including a live camera view of the construction site, which is truly beautiful. Our next update will be towards the end of this year regarding the demolition work for the old City Hall. The new City Hall building will be up and running for business by then. Thank you.